One of the fastest way to make affiliate sale is with paid ads. And when it comes to paid ad, guys, the search ad is one of the best ad, and Microsoft ad is amazing for any beginners to start with compared to Google ads. This is the part 1 video of a free course, guys, where you're going to learn how to use Microsoft ad to promote any affiliate offer. In this case, we will use Clickbank as a marketplace, which generally the beginner use, and I'm going to show you guys step by step how to run search campaign so that you can get desired results, right? Faster sales you're going to get even low budget. There are many reasons, guys, you can use Microsoft ad as an affiliate marketer beginner compared to Google ads, guys, in the beginning. So I'm going to show you everything in this series. I'm going to keep this video short and I'm going to cover in part 1, part 2 videos. So in this video, we will select the offer. We will find the keywords. Okay, that is what we're going to do here. Subscribe the channel, enable the notification. Here I'm uploading videos related to affiliate marketing, and give the thumbs up to this video, guys, because Microsoft ad is an amazing platform to promote any affiliate offer. You're using Max Web, you're using CPA, or you might be using Clickbank. So with this, guys, let's start this video. So for now, guys, the most important thing before we will start, this is very important, guys. If you are not getting sales in Microsoft, or even if you have a low budget, you have to understand why Microsoft compared to Google here. When it comes to ad policy, guys, Microsoft ad is less restriction. Okay, whereas Google has more restrictions. How many of you use Google and you lost your account immediately? Here, guys, you can start with Microsoft ad and you can learn a lot how to run the ad in the Google also. When it comes to guide keyword CPC, it's very low CPC compared to, guys, Google. Google is highly competitive. But here one advantage is, guys, you can scale it to 10x. Okay, here you can get a good ROAS. That means even if you have a $200 to $300, you can go out there and you can get a good ROAS, return of investment, right, with Microsoft ad, whatever the product you're promoting. Now, very important thing, guys, this is the reason I am recommending you Microsoft ads to start with. The average CTR here is almost close to 3%. Okay, and the average CTR, that means click-through rate in your ad, almost like 2%. Okay, and when you see the conversion, guys, the conversion is little bit low, but guys, trust me, if you spend $100, you can make like $200, $300 also here, but it's all depend upon the products. Okay, the conversion is 2.94% here, whereas, right, Google have very high conversion rate of 4, and sometimes you will see more than this. Very important thing is the reach. When it comes to reach, guys, Microsoft only have 5% reach. Okay, this is the database they have. When it comes to, guys, Google ads, it's 75% because they are the largest share in the internet, guys. 75% almost they have. But here is the thing which you have to understand. Look at the click-through rate. Right, it is 3% close to, and 5% of the audience. That means, guys, if you create a good ad copy, right, which you're going to see in the series, the good headline, the description, you will get a good click-through rate on that. And if you target with the desktop, guys, you can show your ad to 53 million people here. Okay, especially in the desktop, no laptop or phone, guys. And scalable, it's an average, because you can see, guys, the reach is less, but you will get good return of investment, guys. And interface, of course, Microsoft ad is little bit easy. Google ad is little bit complex, but it's all about learning Google ads. Now, when it comes to budget, with my experience here, you can start with $300 to $500. This is a minimum budget. As well as, guys, in Google, guys, my experience says you need a minimum somewhere between, guys, 600 or more than that. Okay, $1,000 is a minimum. But in Microsoft ad, you can start with $200, $300 also. Okay, and now this is again my personal experience. The fraud click is little bit high in Microsoft ad. Okay, but in Google it is less. Here is the very important thing which you have to understand, which nobody is going to show you, guys. If you got this, you're going to make a sales right away, right now, this week itself. And that is, guys, in with my experience, guys, the best niche is weight loss or diabetes niche, or any pain related niche, where you're going to target male and female. And the age should be always 40 plus audience. The database of Microsoft is all 40 plus married with good income potential audience. Okay, and the best country to target is, guys, US and Canada. Now you must know we have to select the product which is pain related to weight loss, diabetes, and you can target with 40 plus audience here. So let's get into Clickbank here. So from here you can select the product from the categories, or you can also keep your eyes on cbengine.com. Okay, here you can see all the new arrival products. For example, guys, here you can see new products every day, right? You can have the eyes on, right, what are the new products are coming here. For example, tea bun is there, and then you can go down, you can see mega bun. Okay, this is one of the product, and that is lean bio me. It's a new product here. Okay, you can keep the eyes on this product. You can also see which product is converting here. If you click here, tea burn, here you can see the gravity is very good and it's going up, and this product is added on 2nd of this month. Okay, so very new, good, right product to target right now. Okay, because we are running the search ad, you can promote any product. XCPure also, Java one, which is having a gravity. Here you don't need to see the gravity, and you can also see the graph, right, how this product is moving up. So here you can see this product gravity is increasing. A lot of people have started promoting here. You can also check this detail from here, but meanwhile we will go with one product itself for this tutorial purpose. That is, guys, a tea bun. You can open their affiliate page. Very important. You should spend little time with the affiliate page. Here in the affiliate page, guys, hope you have watched my last video. If you really want to not get banned with Clickbank or backlisted by the vendor, you must learn their terms and service. Okay, and also see how much you make. 75% commission you will make with T-Bun. What kind of a landing page they have given here, right? Video sales letter is there, which is very important. Look for always video sales letter. Okay, it convert very good. If you're not seeing anything like email swipe is not there, if you're not getting video sales letter or email swipe, mail them, ask them, right, idea about the keywords and all, they will get you, right? For example, they have shared me the email swipe so that I can learn from this. Email swipes are very important, guys. It will help you to create headline and everything that you're going to see in the upcoming video. You will see which angle this product is promoting. In this email swipe, you can see, guys, they are using the angle of T. They're not using a weight loss keyword, lose weight keyword. They're not using that, right? They're using more T as an angle. Okay, one product, guys, you can promote with many different angles. Okay, this is a weight loss product, no doubt, but what they are promoting in their video sales letter, that is very important for you. Open the video sales letter. So look at this video sales letter, guys. At least watch 2 times a video sales letter so that you can understand, right? There is no headline here. Can you see this, right? This is really important. If you do direct linking here, which is not allowed, if you do, right, you're not going to get any conversion. Also cheap marketing strategies. Okay, you're going to get many videos like that. There is no headline. What you're going to show them? If you target an audience, if they are not going to get the relevant thing which you have shared in the landing page, they will quit from here. You will get the hops, you will not get the conversion. That's why you have to warm up about this video sales letter, about this video in your landing page also. That you're going to see when we create a landing page here. And we will also get into the remarketing things. So here you can see this is the remarketing, right? If you want to remarket here, so with this also you will get, right, lot of content, right? Look at this, the world's first, the only natural, right, patent pending, right, combined with tree can increase the speed and efficacy of metabolism. Okay, metabolism is the natural way of burning fat. Okay, so all this you'll get lot of idea from this one landing page. Spend a lot of time here, guys. How to know more about this kinds of product? Just get into Google, just type here tea burn review. Okay, you will get lot of good review. Get into some good review which can show you exactly about the product, right? Look at this review. They're talking about what this exactly product do, how this burn fat. With this you will get lot of idea about this product. Okay, check some of the few different reviews so that you can get amazing clear idea about this product. Why we are doing extreme product research? Because, guys, T-Burn is a weight loss product, and Eat Sleep Burn is again a weight loss product. Slimming Tea, again a weight loss product. Burn Boost, again a weight loss product. Flat Belly Fix is again a weight loss product, and this list is not going to stop for an average marketer. for an average marketer, this all are losing weight product. But guys, if you do your research properly, you will find that each of this product, the way of burning fat or the product promising is completely different. So for that, you have to get into VSL, written copy, email swipe, review, and you have to spy the competitor so that you can find what and who, what kind of a product is this, right? Who is the audience of this product, okay? And with this also, you will get the keywords in this, right, in their written copy, email swipe and all. That is, guys, T for weight loss or to lose weight in this case. Tea to burn fat, healthy and natural tea, better than green tea, natural ingredient to add with tea, tea to burn fat by enhancing the metabolism. So these are the keyword, guys, they use more in their landing page, in their VSL, email copy and everything. Okay, so now it become very easy for us to create a landing page or to find a keyword so that we can target. Now the next step which you're going to see in the part 2 video is, guys, we will get into Microsoft ad here and we will get into keyword planner and we will find some of the keywords which is in and around of these keywords, guys, so that we can target, we can create a relevant ad. More the relevant ad, guys, more conversion you're going to get, right, higher quality score. So hope you got amazing value from this video, guys. If you got the value, give the thumbs up to this video, guys. So subscribe the channel, give the thumbs up, keep smiling, meet you in the next video.